Okay, sorry for that. So there will be 2 recordings to your guys' lessons. So example 3, a painter normally gets paid 80 Rand per hour and gets 120 Rand per hour for overtime. Didi works 52 hours normal time and 8 hours overtime. Calculate how much she will get paid. Okay, so we know that she gets paid 120 Rand for overtime and 80 Rand normal. Okay, so she worked 52 hours normal time, right? So that means that she gets she gets 80 Rand 5 times, okay? So 80 Rand times 5, and that gives me 960 Rand, okay? For overtime, she gets 120 Rand 8 times because she works 8 hours. And then she gets 4,000, sorry. This one is 4,160. And this one is, your answer will be 960. So overall, she gets 4,160 Rand plus the 960 Rand, which is 5,120 Rand. Okay, so now you guys will go and do the exercises that I've given you for rate. And now we're going to move on to percentages. So I know I said it was proportion, but I got confused, and it is percentages. Okay, so like I said, you can space this over the next 2 days, or if you want to take it slower, then you're more than welcome to. Just make sure that it gets done by Monday. So percentage comes from the Latin word per centum, right? Which means per 100, okay? So that means that if I say 23%, I'm saying 23 per 100, okay? And that's why it's 23 over 100. So remember I said that that division line means per. Okay, so if we look at an example of how we use percentages, so clothing, or let's just quickly example. Okay, so a clothing shop has a sale and offers 20% discount on all clothing. Kanye buys items worth 840 Rand. Calculate how much she will pay after discount. Okay, so first let's work out what the discount is. So I know she's getting 20% off. Okay, so I first need to find out what is 20% of 840 Rand. Okay, first you work out the percentage and then I'll minus. I can't just go 840 minus 20%. It's not how it works. Okay, first I have to work out what it is. So 20% of, so times by 840. So we use our calculators. 80% times 840 is going to be 168 Rand. So she gets 168 Rand off. Okay. So that means 840 Rand minus the 168 will be her new balance. So 840 minus that will give us 672 Rand. So she's gone from 840 Rand to 672 Rand because there was a discount of 20%. You can't say, so note, can't just say 840 minus 20%. You have to work out what it is. Okay. All right, let's do one more example. Okay, example 2. Mr. M buys a car of 160,000 excluding VAT. Okay, so that's your value added tax. The dealer charges 15%, which is the VAT at the moment. How much will the car cost? So we need to add 15% of VAT to the car. So I first need to find out, well, how much is 15% of the 160,000 Rand? So I take 160,000 and I times it by 15% because I want to know how much of the 160,000 is VAT. So 160,000 times 15%, and that gives me 24,000. Okay, so I need to add that 24,000 to my value. So 160,000 plus 24,000. And I get 184,000. Okay, so that is the amount. Okay. All right, so now you guys have got activities to do, which I gave you. So please make sure that those are done by the time that we are back.